Every great design begins with a sketch. From fabric to fashion, stitching perfection. Turning threads into art with precision. Designing the future with technology. Ideas on display, creativity in motion. Bringing spaces to life with digital precision. Blending textures, colors and concepts into stunning interiors. From blueprint to reality, designing dream spaces. Where creativity meets craftsmanship. A community of designers, dreamers and innovators. Welcome to Queen's School of Design, where your journey begins.